Hello, today we will discuss about statistical analysis of 2 k power 2 design. This is very simple analysis. Factorial analysis are conducted entire in CRD or RBD or LSD. Okay, in completely randomized design or in randomized block design or in Latin square design, and thus they can be analyzed in usual manner, except that in the case of the treatment sum of squares is split into three orthogonal components and each with 1 degree of freedom. Okay, we know that main effects A and B and the interaction AB are mutually orthogonal contrast of treatments means. Okay, the SS due to the factorial effects A, B and AB is obtained by multiplying the square of the factorial effects by a suitable quantity. Okay, in practice these effects are usually computed from the treatment totals, that is written in bracket, in big bracket, A, B and AB, etc. Factorial effect totals are given by the expressions. Factorial effect totals are expressed in capital bracket, that is capital in capital bracket A, this is equal to in capital bracket AB minus B plus A minus 1, all in capital letters, and capital in capital brackets B is equal to AB plus B minus A minus 1, all in capital letters. Similarly, AB is equal to AB minus A minus B plus 1, all in capital letters. Totals are expressed in capital letters and in terms of small letters in big brackets. Okay, let it be question number 17. The sum of squares due to any factorial effect is obtained on multiplying the square of the effect total. Okay, the square of the effect total by the factor 1 by 4r, where r is the common replication number. Thus SS due to main effect of A is equal to in capital letters A in big bracket capital letter A square upon 4r. Similarly, SS due to main effect of B, this is equal to in capital bracket in capital letter B square upon 4r, and SS due to interaction effect AB, this is equal to factorial effect total of AB square upon 4r, each with 1 degree of freedom, and let it be denoted by equation number 18. Now you can perform ANOVA table. Okay, so we have ANOVA table for fixed effects model, 2 factor 2 to the power 2 experiment in RBD in R replicates. So we have the column of source of variation, degree of freedom, sum of squares, mean sum of squares, and variance ratio F. In the column of source of variation, we have blocks, that is replicates, main effect A, main effect B, interaction effect AB, error, and total. And corresponding degree of freedoms are R minus 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, R minus 1, and total is 4 R minus 1. Similarly, sum of squares column is SR square, SA square, SB square, SAB square, SE square, and totals double summation Yij minus Y double dot bar ka square. Similarly, mean sum of squares are obtained as small SR square, small SA square, small SB square, small SAB square, small SE square. And in variance ratio F, we have FR means replicates. Variance ratio for replicate is equal to small SR square upon small AC square. Similarly, FA main effect variance ratio due to effect A is equal to small SA square upon small AC square. And similarly, we have FB, this is equal to small SB square upon small AC square. And variance ratio for interaction effect AB, FAB is equal to small S square AB upon small S square E. Okay, in this way we have construct the ANOVA table for the factorial experiment to the power 2 decade. Now if FA, FB and FAB follows central F distribution with 1 comma 3 R minus 1 degree of freedom, if for any factorial effect, okay, if for any factorial effect means for effect A, B, A or AB, calculated F is greater than tabulated F for 1, 3 R minus 1 degree of freedom at certain level of significance, say alpha, that is generally on R 5% or 1%, then the null hypothesis is not of the presence of the factorial effect is rejected. Otherwise, H naught may be accepted. Okay. Now we have some notable point, that is note number 1. The SS due to the factorial effects A, B, and AB, each with 1 degree of freedom, with add up to the treatment sum of squares with 3 degree of freedom. Okay, the SS due to the factorial effects AB, and AB, each with 1 degree of freedom, will add up to the treatment sum of squares with 3 degree of freedom. And number 2, the factorial effects may be expressed in terms of treatment totals, that is main effect of A, this is equal to 1 by 2 in bracket, big bracket, in a small letter, in a small bracket, small letter AB minus B plus A minus 1. And this may be written as in terms of total, this is equal to 1 by 2 AB upon R minus B upon R plus A upon R and minus 1 upon R. So it may be expressed as main effect of A is equal to total effect of A, this is in main bracket, in big bracket, A upon 4R. Similarly, we can found or we can obtain expressions for B and AB. Thus we have main effect of A is equal to total effect of A upon 2R, main effect of B, this total effect of B upon 2R, and main effect of AB, this is equal to total effect of AB upon 2R. So this is the way how to calculate. Okay, so this is now all about of your today class, and in this way we have completed your course. If you find any problem, then you may consult. God bless you. Thank you.